In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix printer error 0X00000BC4 after an upgrade to Windows 11. Printer issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when they occur after you've just updated your operating system. The error 0X00000BC4 is one such issue that can haunt your Windows 11 experience. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle this issue. We're going to dive into the first solution, which is restarting the print spooler service. The print spooler is a critical service that manages the printing process, and sometimes restarting it can resolve the error. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog, type services.msc and hit Enter. This command will open the Services application, where you can manage all the service processes on your computer. Once you're in the Services window, scroll down to find the print spooler. When you locate it, right-click on the print spooler service and select Restart from the context menu. This action will attempt to restart the service, which can often clear up temporary glitches or hang-ups causing the error. However, if you find that the print spooler is currently stopped, don't worry. Simply double-click on the print spooler to open its properties window. Here, you'll want to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, ensuring that your computer will start the print spooler whenever it boots up. After setting the startup type to automatic, click on the Start button within the Properties window to get the service up and running. With this resolved, you might find that the error has disappeared. If restarting the print spooler doesn't do the trick, the next step is to remove and reinstall your printer. Let's go through this process step by step. Begin by opening the Settings app from your Start menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section, and then select Printers and Scanners. In this section, you'll see a list of all the printers connected to your computer. Click on the affected printer to select it, then click the Remove button. This will uninstall the printer from your system. After you've removed the printer, the next step is to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that any remnants of the printer's previous installation are cleared from the system memory. Once your computer is back up, you'll want to add your printer back again. To do this, return to the Printers and Scanners section of the settings where you removed the printer earlier. Click on Add a printer or scanner to initiate the process of reinstalling your printer. Windows will search for nearby devices, and once it locates your printer, follow the on-screen prompts to add it back to your system. By the end of these steps, you should have resolved the printer error and be able to print documents smoothly again. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.